Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to solve this tricky exponential equation. Right, so I'm going to show us how to solve this easily. Solution. Right, so now another way to write the square root of 3 is 3 raised to power 1 over 2. Then we have this x plus 4 plus 20, everything equals 0. Right, so we can multiply the powers. 1 over 2 can multiply x plus 4, and then we have 3x plus 4 divided by 2 plus 20 equals 0. Okay, so when you multiply this by this is what we have. Okay, from here we can rewrite this as 3 raised by x minus, this can become 3 raised by x over 2 plus 4 over 2, okay, plus 20 equals 0. Right, so we have x over 2 plus 4 over 2. If you simplify this, we have this. Okay, from there, 2 can go in 4. So we have 3 raised by x minus 3 raised by x over 2 plus, now 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is 2, plus 20 equals 0. We write this in form of this, right? Because 3 raised by x can also be written as 3 raised by x over 2 raised by 2. Okay, so this is another way to write it. So then we can say this can be written as 3 raised by x over 2 multiplied by 2 minus, then we have 3 raised by x over 2. Then in indices, one of the laws of indices says that we have a raised by x plus y is same thing as a raised by x multiplied by a raised by y, and that is what I have applied here. Then plus this 20 equals 0. Alright, so from here we can say let y equals to 3 raised by x over 2. So anywhere we see 3 raised by x over 2, we can write y. So here we have 3 raised by x over 2, we write y raised by 2 minus, this is y, multiplied by 3 raised by 2 is 9, plus 20 equals 0. Alright, so we can write this as y raised by 2, y times 9 is 9y, plus 20 equals 0. Alright, so we can factorize this. Let's factorize this. Factorize y squared minus 9y plus 20 equals 0. So we have minus 5y minus 4y plus 20 equals 0. Because minus 5 minus 4 will give us minus 9. And minus 5 times minus 4 will give us plus 20. Right, so this falls to what is common? Y is common. We have y minus 5. Here, what is common? 4 is common. We have y minus 5 equals 0. By the time you open this bracket, you have this. Right, so pick this and this. We have y minus 4 and one of the two brackets, y minus 5, everything equals 0. Okay, so we can equate each bracket to 0. That is y minus 4 equals 0. And we have y minus 5 equals 0. That means y equals to 4 or y equals to 5. Okay, so these are values of y. When the question we have to find x. And then recall that we said at the beginning of the solution that let y equals to 3 raised to the power x over 2. So we recall now. And then when y equals to 4, we have two answers for 4. We have y equals to 4 and y equals to 5. Now when y equals to 4, let's see what the value of x is. Alright, so now we have y equals to 3 raised to the power x over 2, and then y is 4, that means 3 raised by x over 2 equals to 4. And then what do we do in this place? We take the logarithm of both sides. We take the log of this side. We also take the log of this side. And then one of the laws of logarithm says if we have this, you take this x over 2, which is a power, to the back. So we have x over 2, we have log 3 equals to log 4. Okay, so from here, what do? We divide both sides by log 3. So we have x over 2 equals to log 4 divided by log 3. All right, so another way to write log 4 over log 3 is log 4 base 3. Okay, so one of the laws of logarithm says that if you have log A over log B, it's the same thing as log A base B. And that's what we have applied. Then here we can cross multiply. It means our x equals to 2 log 4 base 3. Right, so let's look for the value of the other x by considering y equals to 5, when y equals to 5 now. And then this is what we have. We have y equals to 3 raised by x over 2. Y equals to 5 now. So 3 raised by x over 2 equals to 5. Then we take the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm of this side. And we also take the logarithm of this other side. Then this goes to the back. We have x over 2 log 3 equals to log 5. We divide both sides by log 3. So we have x over 2 equals to log 5 over log 3. Okay, so as I said the other time, another way to write log 5 over log 3 is log 5 base 3. And then you cross multiply. So our x equals to 2 log 5 base 3. Okay, now we have gotten the answer for the value of x. The values of x are x equals to 2 log 4 base 3 or x equals to 2 log 5 base 3. Now these are the values of x. Okay, all right. Let's try this. Let's see if we can do this. Now let's solve for x when we have 2 raised by x minus root 2 raised by x plus 3 plus 10 equals 0. Okay, so let's solve for x here. Solve for x. And then let's drop our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.